key?
Key is C, so it'll be D if I'm up here. And we'll just kind of freestyle this. Capo 2. So I'm doing this D. I got that one on the video.
Ooh.
Good. That sounds pretty good. That's a fun tune. I got snacks there, Bruce. If you're hungry, I don't want to go to the restaurant hungry.
No, I do. That way, when the gig is over, then I go order something.
I know you, but you pick up a sandwich when you're done, which is good.
Yeah, it's also ensures domestic quality because I bring home one for Miss Susan.
Right on. Yeah.
It's her birthday today.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Oh, fun. How long you and Susan been married?
Well, we got married in '75.
Oh, shit.
So,
well, almost 40 years because my 40th high school is coming up. I graduated in '74. Wow.
I graduated in '60, but I was only 17.
Yeah, me too. I was a young graduate too.
When I finished pharmacy school, I was barely old enough to license.
Oh, really?
You had to be
21?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And the exam was like about 4 months after my 21st birthday. What do we got?
Make me a pallet.
Oh, yeah, okay.
We'll do that
And
one.
S&D also was
Yes. So
Yeah, well, actually, this one, coincidentally, we both discovered we knew it at
where did we discover we knew this one?
Lightning Joe's.
Oh, did
We
we?
were up there, Saturday,
Oh, okay. So it was the bluegrass day up there,
yeah, the bluegrass.
and I started playing it. And yeah, this isn't really bluegrass, but
We have so many bluegrass bands have covered this, it's not even funny.
oh, is that right? So we'll
I
play.
learned it off a bluegrass album.
Who's bluegrass?
Called The Journeyman in 16.
Really? Country with that cold sleet and snow. I'm going up that country with that cold sleet and snow. No telling how much further I may go. Make me down, pallet on your floor. Make me down, pallet on your floor. Make it soft, make it low, so my good, yeah, we'll never know. Make me pallet on your floor. Please don't let my good girl catch you here. Please don't let my good girl catch you here. She might shoot you live, cut you started too. No telling how much she may do. Make me down, pallet on your floor. Make me down, pallet on your floor. Make it soft, make it low, this good gal will never know. Make me a pallet on the floor. We'll pick it around one more time. I'm sleeping, my back and shoulders tired. Well, I'm sleeping, my back and shoulders tired. Lie awake, I'm sleeping, my back and shoulders tired. Turn over and try it on my side. Lay down, pallet on the floor. Make me down, pallet on the floor. Make it soft, make it low, so my good gal will never know. Make me pallet on the floor. Repeat that. Make me down, pallet on your floor. that's a John Hurt tune. But you said a lot of bluegrass people do that one, huh?
Yeah, John Hurt may be the earliest version that we're both familiar with, except that W.C. Handy wrote this thing like around...
Oh, okay, so John Hurt didn't write it, he just did it.
He did it, and
Yeah.
I think he brought it to the rest of us.
Right.
It's written by W.C. Handy.
Oh, yeah, I have to make note of that one.
No, it surprised the heck out of me when I had that